Welcome to Gigi's Kitchen. Here we are again. Today we're going to make everyone's favorite 6-week bran muffins. You know why they're called 6 weeks bran muffins? Because you can keep them in your fridge in this big bowl for 6 whole weeks. So you only need to make as many as you want at the time, which makes it super cool. And it's very easy. We're gonna start by putting in 1 box of bran flakes. Now you'll notice we're not using the mixer this time. We're just using this big bowl. 3 cups of sugar. You can use half of white and half brown, which is what we're gonna do today. Remember that when you put your brown sugar in your cup, you wanna press it in tightly. 1 cup. And then I need a half a cup more, which I'm just gonna look at since I've done this many hundreds of times. If I press this in here, it'll be a half cup. Okay, here's the brown. Now we need the white. There's 1 of the white, and then here's a half. Just about like that.
Can you tell us about your special white sugar that you have?
Have you noticed that in my sugar bin, it looks kind of crazy? It's not just regular white sugar. I have a crazy story to tell you. My niece Robin works at a dog food treat plant. And this brown sugar was used in the recipes to make the dog food treats. Except they decided to go use a different kind of brown sugar in their recipes. So they had tons of this extra dog food sugar. But it just tastes normal. So I just mixed it in with my regular sugar. Okay, next we have 5 cups of flour. You want to make sure that they're level cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, number 5. Okay, then we need 5 teaspoons of soda. And I have all of the baking things I need right in my little bin, close at hand. All right, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we need 1 teaspoon of salt, which we have in our trusty bin. 1. Okay, then we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And because I really like cinnamon, I'm gonna give it an extra 1. So we've got 1 and 2. And then, oh dear. We're gonna mix this up a little bit. You'll notice we have all the dry things in here first. And when you get that all mixed together, we're gonna add all the wet things. We're going to do 4 eggs. You can help me count those too. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1 cup of oil. Hopefully we have a cup in this. Oh, we might need our cameraman to reach behind her back and get me some more oil. Thank you. Oh, it's starting to smell cinnamony. just a little bit more. Okay, there's all of our oil. Our last ingredient is buttermilk. A whole quart of buttermilk. I might have wanted to shake that up, but here it goes. Ploppity plop. All right, guys, that's all our ingredients. Look at my awesome spoon. This is what you'll maybe want to use. It makes it everything gets mixed up so nicely with this.
What's it called?
It's called a Danish dough hook. Or you can just use a wooden spoon. You're gonna mix it all up until it gets all combined.
Can I add like mix-ins and stuff to it?
You can add raisins if you want. I generally don't, because the best way I like to eat these is just warmed up for 10 seconds with some butter and some jam or honey on it. That's my favorite way, but you could try adding chocolate chips or coconut maybe, or some nuts.
Could you add like protein powder?
I have never tried adding protein powder.
You never know.
But if any of you tried it, let me know how you like it. Okay, I can see the eggs. We're getting those mixed in. We're just about there. It's all mixed up, ready to go. Grab your cupcake spoon, or you can just use 2 spoons out of your drawer. And you don't want to fill them all the way. We want to kind of leave a little bit of space in the top so it has room to grow in the oven. So I'm only going to cook this pan right now and put the rest of this in the fridge so I can make fresh muffins tomorrow or the next day. Go in the oven. I've got my trusty helper here. Thank you, Jack. 375-degree oven for about 17 minutes. And I want to show you real quick where we got the recipe. This is Madison's cookbook. These are family recipes that we have. All kinds of recipes that we've eaten as you've all grown up, our favorite recipes. So this is kind of what we're going to be drawing from as we do our classes. And we'll talk about it more later. Here they come out of the oven, golden brown. Who would like to be a taste tester? Me, 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 me. Okay. Let's see if they turned out good. Here's your little napkin and your little muffin. You always want to use papers when you make muffins. All right, you want to prepare that? Do you see that butter?
Looks really good.
They're super hot. That's perfect.
That's all, folks.
There you have it. Remember that Gigi loves you. Go practice cooking and clean up your messes.